If you think making long AI videos is complicated, expensive, or only for tech experts, this video is going to completely change your mindset. What if I told you that you can create high-quality, long AI videos using free tools without showing your face, without recording your voice, and without any advanced editing skills? And yes, these videos can be used for YouTube automation, storytelling channels, motivational content, or even monetized faceless channels. So stay with me till the end because this method is simple, powerful, and beginner-friendly. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open ChatGPT in your web browser and log in to your account. If you are not logged in, make sure you sign in before continuing. Once you are inside ChatGPT, look at the left side menu and click on the option called Apps. After that, click on GPTs. Now, inside the GPTs section, use the search bar and search for a free AI story generator. There are many available, so choose one that allows creative storytelling without restrictions. Once you find it, click on Start Chat. Now comes the most important part. In the message box, type this simple prompt: write a mysterious story of a superhero. After typing the prompt, hit the Generate button and wait for the magic to happen. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete story with rich narration, emotions, suspense, and flow. This story will become the backbone of your long AI video. Once the story is generated, do not copy it yet. Instead, continue the conversation and type another prompt. Divide this story into 5-second voice narration segments and provide prompts to generate images and videos. If you want even more accuracy and want to ensure that ChatGPT does not skip a single line of text, you can paste the full story along with this prompt. This helps maintain perfect alignment between narration, images, and video scenes. After submitting this prompt, ChatGPT will break the entire story into small narration segments. Each segment will include a matching image prompt and a video animation prompt. This is extremely powerful because now your long video is already structured scene by scene. Now it's time to turn those prompts into visuals. Open a new browser tab and search for Meta AI. Log in using your Google account if you are not already logged in. Once you are inside Meta AI, look for the plus icon and click on Create. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. Return to Meta AI, paste the prompt into the text box, and click the Generate button. Within moments, Meta AI will generate a high-quality image based on the story scene. Once the image is generated, you don't need any external software. Meta AI allows you to convert that image directly into a video. Simply select the video option, upload the image you just created, then copy the video animation prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into the prompt box, and click the Animate button. Meta AI will now generate a short animated video from that image. This clip perfectly matches your story narration. Repeat this same process for every scene: text to image, image to video, scene by scene. This is how you create multiple short AI video clips that will later combine into one long cinematic video. Now let's generate the voiceover. Open Google AI Studio in a new browser tab. Once you're on the home page, click on the option that says Turn Text into Audio with Gemini. This feature is free and currently unlimited. Choose the single speaker audio option. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the entire narration script that was divided into segments. Paste it into Google AI Studio. Here, you will see multiple voice options with different tones and styles. Choose a voice that matches your content, whether it is deep, calm, dramatic, or storytelling-based. After selecting the voice, click the Run button. Listen carefully to the generated audio.
No one ever saw him arrive.
If you are satisfied with the voiceover, download the audio file to your computer. This audio will be used as the main narration for your long AI video. Now it's time to bring everything together. Open a video editor. In this case, we are using Shotcut because it is free and beginner-friendly. Open Shotcut and create a new project. Drag and drop all your AI-generated video clips into the timeline in the correct order. After that, drag and drop the voiceover audio file into the audio track. Adjust the timing so that each video clip matches the narration perfectly. If one clip is slightly longer or shorter, simply trim it or extend it to sync with the voice. To make the video more engaging, you can add smooth transitions between clips. You can also add subtle background music at a very low volume to enhance the storytelling experience. Once everything is aligned, preview the full video from start to finish. Check for smooth flow, proper timing, and clarity.
No one ever saw him arrive. In a city that never slept, strange things began to happen after midnight.
Crimes were solved before they even began.
Fires burned out before they could spread.
Missing people returned home unharmed.
No witnesses, only a chill in the air.
They started calling him the Veil.
No one knew where the name came from.
Ethan Cross discovered his power the night he tried to disappear. He was an archivist, forgotten and unseen. When he stepped into a shadow, time broke. He could move between moments.
The Veil didn't fight criminals.
He removed outcomes. Plans collapsed before they began.
Every time he used his power, he faded.
And just like that, you have created a long, professional-quality AI video without recording a single word or showing your face. This method works perfectly for storytelling channels, superhero stories, mystery content, motivational videos, and even educational content. You can upload these videos to YouTube, Facebook, or any other platform that supports long-form video content. Now let's wrap this up. If you found this video helpful, imagine how many AI videos you can create using this exact process. Consistency is the key. The more videos you create, the better your content becomes and the faster your channel grows. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI content tutorials. See you in the next video, where we will explore even more powerful AI tools to grow your channel faster and smarter.